Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a classic chicken sandwich. This is a quick and easy lunchbox recipe and I'm sure your kids would love this sandwich. You can also make them one day before and refrigerate for the next day. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. Let's make onion spread for the sandwich. For that, into a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. This onion spread is really good. You can store this in the refrigerator for about 4 to 5 days. Add 2 chopped onions. Saute it for about a minute or two. We need the onion to be crunchy. This spread comes handy to pack for your kids' lunchbox and for the office as well. Add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry this till the raw aroma goes away. Now into this, add a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, also called jeera, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt, give it a good mix. Keep the flame on low. Finally, add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix well. Cook this until the raw flavor goes away. Let's make sandwich. I have taken 4 slices of bread. Apply cheese spread on one side of the bread. Spread evenly. On the other slice of the bread, place a spoonful of onion spread and spread it evenly. This is shredded grilled chicken. You can use beef or boiled egg also. This spread will go with everything. Keep generous amount of chicken on one side of the bread. Add some roasted onion. This will give a nice crunch when you bite on it. Add some tomato ketchup. This is Schezwan sauce. This is optional. If you want this recipe, it's in my playlist. Spread it evenly. Cover it with another slice. Do try this sandwich and share your feedback about this recipe in the comments below. If you like this video, do check out my other recipe, shredded beef sandwich. I will link to that video in the iCard above. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.